Conservator, Government of India. Sir, we are delighted to have you here. Sir, needs no introduction. He is a great personality. He is a great environmentalist. He has dedicated his whole life in the contribution and conservation and preservation of wildlife, nature and natural resources. His dedication towards conservation and his expertise in forestry is remarkable. His passion towards conservation is remarkable, and his quest and his dedication to educating young minds is remarkable. So please students, let's welcome today Dr. O.P. Sharma Vidyapit. Please a huge round of applause. So today we have come here to celebrate International Sparrow Day. He has mastery over the Indian flora and fauna. He's a gem. I can say he's a gem. So,
So welcome students to this gathering.
Thank you, sir.
Indian scholar tree. Why scholar? Because during 18th and 19th century, mostly its wood was used to make the blackboards as for teaching students. So it got two names, Indian blackboard tree as well as Indian scholar tree. But the flowers are very quite fragrant, September, October, November time. And many butterflies get attracted up. You can't see because they are very tall. So you have to climb on this rooftop. From there, when it will be in blooming, you can see, make a list which butterflies they visit the flowers of
Alstonia
scholaris. Alstonia is a botanist in Edinburgh University. So binomial names, you have that tradition to commemorate the contribution of some scientist and taxonomist. So after the name of Alston, the genus has been created as Alstonia. But scholaris gives us an idea that it was used as a scholarly teaching and pursuits in jail and university. So this has something to do with our education system. Another is, this is the street tree of West Bengal. In West Bengal, Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore started the tradition of presenting the leaves of this tree to the scholars during the convocation ceremony. That is another beauty of this particular tree. And another is, this is also used as substitute of quinine. Quinine used for malarial treatment. So its bark is quite useful, bitter tonic as per our Indian system of medicine. Another tree which you are also able to see is the tree which is associated with the cuckoo, कोयल, Eudynamis scolopacia. कोयल का मीठा जो गान है और इसकी आम की मिठास, अवर फोरफादर्स कोरिलेटेड कि उसकी इतनी मीठी वाणी है कि आम भी मीठे हो जाते हैं. दैट टाइप ऑफ इंटीमेट, यू कैन से our forefathers adored this relationship between the koel and the mango. So Britishers, after knowing this anecdote, they named it as cuckoo jay tree. Otherwise we have another word, mango, but the word mango has come from Tamil, mangai. So when Britishers came, they were not having this mango tree in Europe, another temperate area. So that word came from our language, Indian language, Tamil, mangai, but that was modified to mango. So mango word is not more than 400, 300 years old, whereas mangai is much older. This particular mango tree is also, you can say, the food plant for many insects. One is called kela, ambada kela, if you have heard. So zoologically you can put this and search in your Google, Emeritodus atkinsoni. Ambritatela. Not only that, then you have a bower. Dogri mein we call it as flower. The flowering, fragrance, that is also visited by many dipterans, even honeybees. That way it is nurturing, not only biodiversity but even nurturing our own religion. During marriage ceremonies, usually we have the leaves of this tree, mango tree, as Vandanva.
Yes, yes, sir.
Where you don't find, there's another tree which is called as Ram Ashok, Polyalthia. Its leaves are also hung. In the temperate hills, for example, Kashmir or Uttarakhand, where you don't have mango or Ram Ashok tree, then another plant which is called as Himalayan cherry, wild Himalayan cherry. Cherry is found in our gardens, cultivated. But in wilderness, we have the wild crop relative. So one wild crop relative seen in hills is wild Himalayan cherry, again attracting many birds coming to feed. And this unique thing about the Himalayan bird cherry is, Himalayan wild cherry, is it flowers during Kartik month, means when we celebrate Deepavali.
Yes.
Yes.
That is the time mostly autumn has started, and then you don't find flowers. But this particular flower, which is found in our Himalayas, Rajouri, Sud Mahadev, and Uttarakhand, that is wild Himalayan cherry. We have planted one tree in Indian Institute of Integrated Medicine, previously called as RRL, Regional Research Laboratory. It could have been introduced here also, but we planted there. And you know there's a traditional herbarium. And in that herbarium, the great lady, scientist, worked for a few months, 10, 11 months. She was here. She was from Kerala and she was the first PhD in botany.
Okay.
She did lot of work on sugarcane. Sometimes if it goes lengthy, this video, then you can stop and start.
It was a wonderful experience having sir here, and we got to know many more things which we were unaware about the god of birds and our culture, our Dogri, our religious trees, and basically the birds which are extincting. And it was a very nice experience that we had, sir, over here. And thank you so much, sir.
Anybody can also add some feedback, comments, if somebody has something to share. That gives inspiration to me also, na?
Thank you, sir, for making us aware about various species that we are having in our own routine, which we were not aware about
We
earlier.
were unaware.
तो you got अभी लैबिंग, रेड वाटर लैबिंग अभी बोलती, she was happy. टिटीरी बोलते हैं ना हम, अभी वो उड़ते उड़ते बोल के गई है ना? और एक आपने और क्या देखा कि मैंगो ट्री इज आल्सो नोन बाय अनदर नेम एज, याद है? कुकू जाए ट्री. महंगाई तो ठीक है, कुकू जाए ट्री अंग्रेजों ने नाम दिया इसका. मैनी पीपल डोंट से इट मैंगो ट्री. और मैंगो का भी दिन मनाया जाता है. कब होता है वो? इंटरनेशनल मैंगो डे 22 जुलाई को होता है. और ऐसे ही पेंगोलिन डे भी होता है. पेंगोलिन डे समवेयर 19 फरवरी को होता है. लायन डे भी होता है. कब होता है लायन डे? ये होता है अगस्त में. टाइगर का होता है 29 जुलाई को, ठीक है. और अगस्त में होता है एलिफेंट का भी. एलिफेंट का होता है 10 अगस्त को, और लायन का पता नहीं पहले हफ्ते ही होता है जुलाई में. तो इस तरह से वी हैव मैनी डेज, मैनी कंसर्न्स. तो वट एवर टाइम you find at home or in college, at least on that particular day you must talk on that particular bird species, animal species. And just after 2 days we are celebrating International Forest Day. That is the onset of vernal equinox also and onset of spring. Basically temperate region के हिसाब से हमारा जम्मू में otherwise spring has already set in. बसंत पंचमी से ही किसका शुरू हो जाता है? होली सेलिब्रेशंस. तो होली सेलिब्रेशन एक हिसाब से हमारी बहुत पहले से जनवरी के मंथ से शुरू हुई है. होली में एक पर्टिकुलर ट्री सेमल सिंबल, इट हैज़ लॉट ऑफ रेड फ्लावर्स, in Jammu city also. This is also this, you can say, the small aviary for birds. Many birds are coming to feed on the sweet sap nectar of these symbol flowers. इसमें हॉर्नबिल जो है, हॉर्नबिल मैंने बोला था फिर रह गया, दैट इज आसिसेरास बायरास्ट्रिस, इंडियन ग्रे हॉर्नबिल. My God, they have eating habits. Either they don't come after taking some proper, maybe. So you take care of your health. So with happy Holi celebrations to all of you.